A very important topic for psychology students as well as for your GS paper now, and that is autism under the autism spectrum disorder. So far autism was classified under level 1 to 3 of severity. However, the new system has identified 4 broad spectrums in which autism disorder would be classified, and this 4 distinct subfeatures include social and behavioral analysis, mixed autism spectrum disorder with developmental delays, moderate challenges, and broadly affected. So these are the 4 categories under which autism would now be defined. Students who are preparing for psychology as an optional for UPSC, this topic becomes really important because this is one of the very recent findings which you can put in your case studies. Now, when it is social behavioral challenge, what is important to understand, there would be restrictive growth, communication issues. Under the developmental delays, it is all those features being reflected along with the delay in the development. However, under moderate challenges, the developmental delays are not seen, and broadly affected actually affects people with wide range, and they also are indicative of developmental delays. So these 4 sub features or the subcategories of autism are now important. The criteria under which the autism is classified has changed. 60 to 80% autism cases are genetic. However, only 20% of the cases you are well able to identify the specific gene which causes autism. Now, again, what is a major issue is the gene timing. For example, some of the social behavioral changes that occur are after the birth. So it is because of the mutation in the existing gene, and there can be developmental delays because of the mutation in the gene. So whether it is at birth or after birth is also difficult to analyze, but it is a very important point, because at what time the gene got activated is really important to know and understand. Now, once an autism has been identified, what is important? The next important thing is to have a proper diagnosis, provide personalized care, and identify the genes that have been responsible for autism, because every autism has a different presentation, and that presentation once identified would be very effective in actually identifying the specific gene which has led to autism. So those are some of the important points that we have covered under autism. Very important. A recent research, so becomes highly important for your upcoming examinations. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.